Gearing up for adventure top hiking shoes of 2025. It's 4 best picks back with another video all about gear. We're talking about those things that get us out there, that let us experience the beauty of the world, hiking shoes. Finding the right hiking shoe is crucial. It's the difference between a fun adventure and a miserable slog back to the car. That's why I'm hyped to break down the top 4 women's hiking shoes of 2025. We're diving deep into 4 killer options covering everything from breathability and support to durability and style. Let's do this. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. First up, we're kicking things off with a brand that screams performance, La Sportiva. Their women's Spire GTX is a beast when it comes to tackling tough trails. I'm talking about those rocky, unpredictable paths that make you really work for the view. Now, what makes the Spire GTX so special? Well, it's all about that Gore-Tex membrane. This thing is waterproof, like seriously waterproof. We're talking about hiking through puddles, streams, maybe even a little snow, and your feet staying bone dry. But hold up, waterproof doesn't always mean breathable, right? That's where the Spire GTX really shines. It's got this awesome mesh upper and strategically placed air vents that keep the air flowing. So, even if you're pushing hard uphill in the summer heat, your feet won't feel like they're melting inside your shoes. And let's talk about support. The Spire GTX has got your back, or should I say your feet. It's got this awesome ankle support system that locks your foot in place, preventing those nasty rolled ankles. They're built tough with reinforced toe caps and abrasion-resistant materials. At $208.95, the La Sportiva Women's Spire GTX is an investment, but trust me, your feet will thank you. Next up, we've got a classic for a reason, the Columbia Women's Newton Ridge Plus. Now this boot is all about that timeless hiking style, you know, that rugged, ready-for-anything look. But don't let the classic vibe fool you. This boot is packed with modern technology. We're talking about Columbia's signature waterproof and breathable technology. It's like having a force field around your feet, keeping the elements out while letting your feet breathe. The Newton Ridge Plus has this insanely comfortable footbed. It's like walking on a cloud even after miles on the trail. And that mid-cut design, it provides that extra ankle support without feeling too restrictive. You can snag a pair for around $75. If you're all about value and performance, this boot is a no-brainer. Alright, let's talk about a boot that proves you don't have to spend a fortune for quality and performance. The Nortiv 8 women's waterproof hiking boots are a game-changer in the budget-friendly category. First off, the look is on point. They've got this sleek, modern design that doesn't scream, "I'm wearing hiking boots." You could totally rock these on the trail and then grab a post-hike burger without feeling out of place. But don't let the stylish exterior fool you. These boots are built for adventure. They've got a durable suede leather and mesh upper that can handle whatever you throw at it. And the waterproof membrane, it's not messing around. At just $55.99, the Nortiv 8 women's waterproof hiking boots are an absolute steal. They're perfect for hikers who are just starting out or anyone looking for a reliable and affordable option. Last but not least, we're wrapping things up with a boot that's all about style and performance. The Ecco women's off-road lace-up hiking shoe. Now, Ecco is known for their comfortable shoes, and let me tell you, these hiking shoes don't disappoint. First off, the look is sleek and modern. They've got this athletic vibe that's perfect for both the trails and everyday wear. You could easily rock these with a pair of leggings or jeans and look totally put together. But don't let the stylish exterior fool you. These shoes are packed with technology. They feature Ecco's receptor technology, which provides incredible flexibility and stability. It's like having a personal trainer for your feet, guiding each step and providing support where you need it most. The Ecco off-road lace-up hiking shoe has a cushioned footbed that feels incredible, even after miles on the trail. If you're looking for a hiking shoe that can keep up with your active lifestyle and look good while doing it, the Ecco women's off-road lace-up hiking shoe is a great option. So there you have it, our top 4 picks for the best women's hiking shoes of 2025. Remember, choosing the right hiking shoe is all about finding what works best for your feet and your hiking style. Now get out there, explore, and create some unforgettable memories on the trails. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gear reviews and hiking tips. See you on the trails.